Alright, so this little thing here, a wheel stud, might look little, but it's a very big job. So it involves just normal brake pads. Those have to come off. You see I've got my parts over here. You probably already know how to take the caliper off too. Like those parts I've done a million times. But I did not think I'd have to get everything off. So everything I got off, and you see I had my little wheel studs in here, and like, how am I supposed to get them past this? This thing actually comes off. I had to pry it, so I took a couple different things, put them on either side of it. Had to be very careful not to bend it. And so after quite some time, I was able to finally pull off what they call this is your ABS. That stands for anti-lock brake systems. And yeah, it really locked it instead. So I finally got it off, and here's all 5 of my new wheel studs. So now I can not have that problem come up again. Yeah, don't ride without one. Don't ride without 2 especially. That was scary. Well, anyways, I hope you guys like it. If this is helpful, give me a like. If you guys want more helpful things like this, please subscribe. Thanks, have a great day. Bye! Excuse my mess. I've been working on my car all day, if you can't guess.